susuking ka ng kanin mo sa ilalim ng kama.
Cookies World. Today, I have this cool, awesome, very cool set. And it is this bag, the Mickey's for Town Farm House. And today we're going to be opening it because it has stuff inside. Let's get started. Look at this cute, adorable little set of a door. Let's get started to open it.
Actually, sa likod talaga dapat. Kaya lang alam
We got a cute little bag with a hat inside. And one free money.
Buhulin mo muna.
Two, we have a cute little adorable basket so you can put on anything. This one, we got this case for Shopkins, even this blue pink. And this, but not the last but not the least, are our cute adorable Shopkins. We got cheesy, as for blue. We got Alpha Soup, as for sky blue, red, and sky blue again. Last but not least, we got Cheesy Bee. I love her color because it's so colorful.
Alam ba niya na nandito siya, no?
So these are only the cool set that we have. So let's start closing it and say goodbye. Thanks for watching for the Fruits Batch set. Bye. Thanks for watching the Fruits Batch set. I'm gonna upload it in YouTube. Cookies World. See.